Okay, this video we are going to discuss about chapter 7. Let me see what's the questions here. Okay, the first question is define what is networking and list the benefits and disadvantages of networking. Then we're going to continue to discuss about the network topology, and the last one we will talk about network by distance. Alright, what is networking? Let's go to slide number 3. Network is a set of hardware and software and media system used to connect computers together to share information and resources. What are some of the benefits of a network? The first one is users can easily share the data and programs, also the hardware. For example, in the classroom we can have one printer and we network so that each of the students can print to the same printers. Secondly, it makes easier to back up the data. Each one of the users can be easily backed up if we network our room. Okay? We don't have to go to each one of the computer and do a manual backup. We can just use a program that already being networked, and we can choose and select which type of file that want to be backed up. Okay. The next one, open up to new ways to communicate. We can sharing some other devices. Okay, I can share my PowerPoint to you or some other program to you. Okay, so these are some of the benefits of a network. How about the disadvantages? What are some of the disadvantages of a network? Well, first of all, it is subject to security vulnerabilities. So if we don't maintain and secure our network or our system in the school, we are vulnerable with hackings. Okay? That's one of the disadvantages. Second, network computer is also vulnerable with viruses and worms. Okay. A few years ago, our computer network in the school got infected by the worms. It took about 3 to 4 days to fix the problem. Remember, in the school environment, we have about 5,000 computers. It's not just for a personal use. When we only have a couple of computers, and we can restore our system very easy, quick, in just maybe an hour or 2 hours. When we are in the enterprise environment that have so many computers, we need to make sure that our antivirus program is updated and our anti-malware program also updated on regular basis. If we just miss one day of a regular update, then we might get some potential problem. The third disadvantages of having a network is it costs money to manage. Okay. Many organizations can purchase millions of dollars of equipment. However, if we do not invest in the human capital, then we may have some issue along the road. Therefore, we also have to invest on the human capital, and that costs money to maintain for the networks. Okay, so The part B is discuss about network topology. Alright, let me see if I can find it here. Topology. Okay, the topologies is on slide number 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7. What is topology? Topology is the logical layout of a cable and the devices. And in a networking, there are several network topologies. The first one is called bus topology. Bus topologies, that mean we arrange the network nodes in a series of linking one node to the next via a cable, via a single cable. Let me give you an example here, which is bus topology. Bus topology, okay. Here. Okay, let me give you. Here is the example of a bus topology. The problem with the bus topology, if this cable was beaten by the mouse, then the whole system is gonna have some problem. So this is normally not a good network topology to set up in enterprise environments. The second one is called star topology. Star topology, that means all the nodes are connected to a hub wire and communicated through it. That is the most common one. Let me show it to you what is a star topology. So this is a bus topology, and then I'm going to show you the star topology. Okay, this is the most common one. This is what we have in the classroom. We have about 20 to 25 computers, and each of these computers connect to a hub or a switch. Okay, so this is the most common one. This is called a star topology. The good things about this topology, if one of the computer get disconnected, it does not affect the other ones. Okay, so this is probably the ideal one. Okay, the ideal topology to set up in a network is called star topology. Then we have a ring topology. Ring topology connect the network nodes in a circular chains. Let me show it to you. It's a ring topology. This is called a ring topology. Okay, this is a ring topology. This is also not too good because if one of the cable get disconnected, it will shut down the whole network. So this may not be a good topology to set up a network. And then we have the last one, which is a mesh topology. That means cable run from every computer to every computer to every other computer. This might be the ideal one, but in reality, this is gonna cost a lot of money. Let me show you what it means by this. Mesh topology. Okay. You see this mesh topology, each of the computer connected each other. It is possible, but from economic standpoint, this is gonna cost a lot of money because there is no necessary that each of these hubs should be connected together. Okay, so again, this mesh topology is the ideal, but it's going to cost a lot of money. So the good one probably is a combination of a star topology and a bus topology. So we have a combination of these networking topologies. All right. What's the next question here? The next question is 1B is describe network by distance. Okay, let me mention to you this. Let's go to slide number, let me see. Go to slide number 4. Okay, go to slide number 4. The first thing, the first type of network that I'm going to discuss is called local area network. Local area network is a data communication system that consists of multiple devices that is located in a limited geographic area. For example, Here in PSJ Southwest High School, we have our own LAN. When I finish the class today at 2 p.m., I will go to STC, Pecan Campus. That means I will be using Pecan Campus LAN. So each of the organization has their own LAN, which is local area network. How about wide area network? Wide area network is two or more computers that are connected together that located in a dispersed location. Let me put some addition here. They are located in the dispersed location. Okay. What does it mean? Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say that one of you work in HEB. As you know that we have an HEB in Laredo, we have an HEB in Rio Grande Valley, and we have an HEB in San Antonio. Okay. When all of these computer network connected together, that will make up a wide area network. So wide area network is the connection of two or more computers that are located in a dispersed location. Okay. Then I will give you another one, metropolitan area network. That means the network is located in a specific geographic area. For example, let's say that one of you are going to move to Dallas, right? As you notice that there is another city next to Dallas which is called Fort Worth. So let's say that one of you open a business in Dallas and then you open a branch location in Fort Worth. So they will be called DFW Metropolitan Area Networks. Okay. So that is basically the different type of network by distance. Okay. Make sure that students discuss the definition of local area network and give example. Okay. That way you will understand more about the fundamental concept of network. Remember, when you study this type of material, do not try to memorize that. If you understand the material, it will stay in your long-term memory instead of your short-term memory. Okay? So you have LAN, you have WAN, and you have MAN. Alright? Thank you.